This is an identification process that evolves all technical leaders across the country and is done in different steps. This is probably step 3, and a step 4 of this process will be an international competition for 20 of top 80 in the country right now. But how it starts, we have a benchmark camp that starts the previous year. So we started this in 2015 in November, where we basically invite players of distinction from the already in place academies.
Diagonal.
Don't be offside. It serves for us to set the standard for what it's going to be, the U-15 program. Then we collaborate, and we ask recommendations from all technical leaders across the country. We place 3 camps around the 3 major cities, and we bring those camps into the professional academies. So from there, we then select the top 20 players that you see here, plus the top 3 academies, MLS academies.
Recover! Jordan, you gotta recover! Repeat!
I'm Isaiah Johnston and I live in Milton, Ontario, and I play for Milton Youth Soccer Club. The showcase is going great. I think it's a great way to see all the talent across Canada. We have some great players from all over, especially the Montreal boys. Great talents, and I'm happy to be playing with them.
Coming outside you, Chris, outside you!
End of the day, top 80 kids across the country in one place, in one camp. And then, from here, the pinnacle of this project is international competition. So in the previous years, we took them to a tournament in Mexico where they play the likes of, Brazil, Mexico, US, Argentina, and you name it. It's a great eye-opener for those young kids and a great measuring stick for us because we can see where they are, and then develop from there.
So it's just a great feeling to represent your nation, see all parts of Canada, the players just join and see all talent and stuff, so it's just a great thing.
C'est une incroyable expérience, je conseille à tout le monde de l'essayer puis de se donner à fond parce qu'on a plein de bons souvenirs qu'on gardera à jamais.